diabetes.
The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong capsule is now FDA approved.
And check the time, it's now 10:53 in the morning. Time check brought to you by Red Alingatong Capsule. Now available nationwide, available in the Subic Bay, Freeport, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales area at your leading pharmacies nationwide. Sa Red Alingatong Capsule, gagaling ka dito.
The Morning Brew. The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back, people. This is the Morning Brew Show. You're with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. We are coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. All right, and hey, speaking of #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon, ayan, may mga turistang bisita na naman tayo dito sa radio station, ano? Kita nyo ba? Hindi nyo kita, ano? Ayan, oh. Live tayo ngayon sa ABS-GMA. Sa 89.5 page lang, syempre. Pero we're live worldwide, always 24/7 on World Radio Garden. Yan, okay? If you guys are familiar with World Radio Garden, okay. Ayan, there you go. Pwede nyo namang i-replay yan mamaya pagtapos na yung show. Pwede nyo ring i-share. I tag the school. Ayan. Kung pinapansin nyo yung Facebook page ng school. Marami na kasing pumunta rito, hindi naman pinapansin yung Facebook page. But anyways, yeah. This is Romblon State University. Yay! Ayan. Welcome to the Morning Brew Radio Show. And this is 89.5 Subic Bay Radio, the official FM radio station of the SBMA, jointly owned and operated by the SBMA and PBS, Philippine Broadcasting Service. Ayan. Interviewin ko, yung mga nakikinig ngayon, interviewin ko lang po muna itong mga to saglit, ha. Ayan. Question number, what is love? Baka may gusto sumagot. Hindi, joke. Romblon. Obviously from Romblon, syempre. No? Malayo, no? Malayo ang Romblon from Romblon to Subic Bay, Freeport. Ilang oras ang biyahe ba? Bale? 9 hours. Baka may gustong gumamit ng mic pag sumagot. Kasi promise, hindi naririnig sa radyo yan. May narinig ako dito. Ano sabi? 9 hours.
9 hours sea travel.
9 hours sea travel. Yes. Oh, pagkatapos ng sea travel,
2 hours from Batangas Port and to here at 4 hours.
Akala ko pagtapos
to Pasay. Ito, so kung saan kami nag-stay po.
Okay, akala ko pagtapos ng sea travel, D travel, E F G H I J travel. Dagat, no? Karagatan. So, you guys use RoRo, parang gano'n? Roll on, roll off ports, tama ba? Yun. Tapos nakabus kayo, no?
Yes.
Yung bus nyo, yung driver ba, natikitan na dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, hindi ba? Well, Subic Bay Freeport kasi is known for traffic discipline, napakahigpit. Alam nyo naman yun, no? Nababalitaan nyo. Yan. In fact, even EDSA wanted to pattern the traffic after dito. Kaya lang, parang ang hirap-hirap kasi milyon-milyon yung sasakyan nila doon. Pero alam nyo na yan, dito po sa Subic Bay Freeport, napakahigpit when it comes to traffic discipline. First to stop, first to go. Unless otherwise you're being directed by a traffic policeman or if there's traffic lights. Ayan, okay. Curious lang ako, gusto ko lang malaman, ang Romblon State University ba, malaki ba yung campus niya? Malaki? Ayan, usually tinatanong ko, yung main malaki.
Yes.
Gaano kalaki? May football field, parang gano'n.
Yeah.
Sobrang laki. So may football field. Oh. Tapos sa gabi, sinasara yung mga bintana kasi baka pumasok yung buwan. Sobrang laki. Ganun kalaki? Parang ganon. Okay. Another thing that I'm always curious kapag kasi yung school nyo, di ko pa napupuntahan, no? Pag nagka-campus tour kami, ang unang-una kong binibisita yung canteen. Masarap ba yung pagkain sa canteen nyo?
Yes.
Banana Q ang specialty. Ikaw lang yung mahihilig doon. Pero anong specialty ng kantin? Yung masarap na pinakamas gustong-gusto nyo pagkain sa kantin ninyo? Goto? Baka gusto nyo gamitin yung, ayun, may dalawang mic pa. Goto? Masarap ang goto? Specialty ni Leon. Yeah. Tapos may offer for students na yung mura na utang pa, mga ganon.
Student meal po.
Student meal.
Yes.
Lapit ka.
Yeah. Student meal.
Yung... gumagana naman. Kayo rin pwede nyo gamitin yun dyan, ha? Okay. Tapos ito yung could somebody grab the portable mic. Yan, para pwede nyo ipasa-pasa yan. Pero yung unang hawak, siya yung unang kakanta. Okay. Everybody listen. Just a few lines. Aba, game nga ito, kakanta na. Any song, bahala ka. Paborito mo. Kahit mga 2-3 lines lang, pero 78 songs.
Let it go, let it go.
Sige, pakinggan nga natin. Ano mo ng pangalan mo, ate?
Karen Muyo.
Caro, ano no? Karen
Muyo.
Muyo. Do you
Shout
really
out.
sing regularly? You sing talaga?
Ano lang.
Cars.
Anong cars? Kotse?
Minsan lang po pag may mga birthday party.
Okay. Birthday ko nung May 7, so kakanta ka ngayon.
Happy birthday.
Sige nga, sample nga. Pakinggan nga natin.
Uy, agad-agad.
Agad-agad,
Anong song?
Bahala ka kung anong song gusto mo. Gulat kayo, no? Ako rin eh.
Nagulat ako. Ito na lang. Singer po ito ng Romblon.
Sige, go. Yan.
Ay, ito.
Aba? Nag-pass the mic to table
Kumanta
number 5.
po siya sa bus.
Tapos na siya, di ikaw naman. Tapos na pala, iba't papasa mo pa.
Let it
Sige,
go, let it go. Ano ba? Sige na, okay na.
Bahala ka.
Hindi to natapos, sige, ano na lang. Shoutout na lang po.
Sige. Para kanino yung shoutout mo?
Shoutout sa aking family. Uy! Sorry, ingat kay mama. Magta-travel sa Northern Summer.
Yun lang, mama. Kala ko pa naman.
Baka makita na.
Kala ko pa naman papa. Papa na. Papa nga.
Papa mo.
Okay. By the way, di ko na tanong, what year are you guys in? Anong year na kayo? Fourth year. Graduating pala, no? Fourth year college, no? We're talking about, and anong course ninyo? BSIT. Lahat kayo, magkakaklase. Yun, may relate naman sa ating radio operations. Ayan. Okay. I can give you talks about basic radio operations sana, pero you came at a time na live on air tayo, kaya radio guesting na lang for the meantime. Ayan, okay. So, I would like to thank you guys. I'm not gonna hold you long. Alam ko may mga next stop pa kayo. Saan yung next stop nyo, by the way? Or saan na kayo nanggaling? May pinanggalingan na kayo kanina, no? LED, tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Na you guys check the latest equipment and surveillance, no? Ano masasabi nyo? Okay ba?
Efficient.
You guys had a wonderful learning ba doon? Ayun. Tapos na-realize nyo na in the Subic Bay Freeport, kita lahat pala, no?
Super zoom.
Ano mang ginagawa nyo, kita kayo, no? Tapos yung camera nun, state of the art. One time na-catch ako naglalakad, nakita yung tagyawat ko eh. Nag-message yung tropang nando doon, DJ Tommy G, ang laki ng tagyawat mo. Sabi ko, lang niya kagabi na. Okay, thank you for dropping by and making my program extra fun. Ayan, salamat sa song. You owe me 77 more songs. Sabi ko 78, di ba? Pagbalik na lang. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let you guys go. Maraming salamat. And first half pa lang pala to, no? Let's bring in the other half. Yun. Okay, sabihin nyo maganda sila nung kakanta. Okay, thank you. Romblon State University, batch number 1 here on The Morning Brew. Una pa lang yan, ladies and gentlemen. Pero for the meantime, we're gonna play this song, requested song, music coming from Nobita. This one's called Ikaw Lang, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. You're with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman.